So this is something interesting. I was here just working on myself, and she found her toes. Going through the grabbing the feet course, Michelle's talking about how, the kids are discovering their feet, things like that, and that coming into the field of vision. Whereas as I've been going through that with her, like, she just wasn't seeing her feet. So it was just interesting to note she saw her feet here for the first time, just in sitting, and is playing with them. Now she's not. But this is just one way to work with, at first, just getting the feet in the field of vision is, can they sit in this position? Some kids cannot sit in this position, so it's really hard. But can they sit in this position and play with their feet? So this is where I can maybe prompt it a little bit. Now she's not paying attention to her feet. Too many kids are coming in, but you caught that. So this is just one way that you can work with just even getting those feet in the field of vision is just sitting your child up and helping them see their feet, and just letting them at least touch and feel their feet, so they're getting that hand-eye coordination, and yeah, there's one way to work with that.